Hello everyone, crawfish season and everybody love crayfish. I have a recipe that is famous in Houston area. I'd like to share it with you. Please come to the kitchen with me. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos and subscribe. It means a lot to me. Thank you. So I bought this crawfish fresh. They still alive, you will see. They are so strong. I bought it on Saturday, that means 2 days ago. They still kicking. You can see they're moving in there. Because crawfish or whatever you call crayfish, mud bugs, a lot of names for them, but because they are in the ground and in the mud, that's why they are very dirty. I actually wash it 5 times and I brought outside and I use the jets setting to spray on them and wash clean. Now these are on the ingredients go into my crawfish boil. You will see the I wrote on the screen. You can stop the machine to get them down. So 1 onion I already chopped quarter them. I have 1 garlic head. I will leave it whole. And I have a bunch about 5 big lemongrass stalks, and 1 lemon I cut in half now, and I have a piece of ginger, and I have 2 corns. I make a small recipe here. If you want to fit a crowd, you can multiply the recipe. I am alone eating this, can you believe it? And that's why I make a small recipe. So I have 2 big red potato here. You can buy the small one to make it more beautiful, but when I purchased they don't have small one, so I bought the 2 big one. I slice ginger so that it's more released into the broth. I have 1 stick of butter and I cut in half. 1 will go into the pot cooking with the water, and 1/2 I will make the sauce with it. Now this is crab boil seasoning. You can buy the small amount, but because this one it can stay forever, so I bought a big jar for using for maybe a whole year. I use 3/4 of a gallon water, so I use half a cup of crab boil seasoning, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. This is my chili sauce that I made myself. If you don't have the chili sauce, you can use cayenne instead. Now, like I said, I already have 3/4 of a gallon water. Now I just drop everything in, the red potato, the corn, the onions, the garlic, the lemongrass, lemon, gingers, mostly everything except the crawfish. And I added the seasoning as well. And you can let it cook for half an hour. Then at that time you can add the crawfish. Now to season this, I use 1 tablespoon of fish. And here are the ingredients for the sauce. That when we cook the crawfish will go soak into this sauce. So after 30 minutes, now my red potato done cooking. This is the time I add my crawfish. You can see they are alive, kicking. If you don't like to put them in like this, you can let them sit in the freezer for 10 minutes and then you can put in the broth. I saw people doing lobster that way. If you prefer, you go ahead. Now on my skillet, I have 1 tablespoon of oil, and now I drop my garlic, ginger, white part of green onion, and lemongrass. I already minced everything, minced. Because you don't want big chunks of the ingredients, so everything minced. Now I saute them a little bit so they are golden brown. Then this time I add the red wine, and I let the red wine cook down so that aroma left behind. And now I add my broth and let it cook. Remember that the crab boil seasoning I already added in here, and that's all the seasoning you need. You can add, I like to add 1 tablespoon sugar here, but it depends up to you. You like it a little sweet, you add it here. Or if I don't use MSG, but a lot of people using MSG. If you like MSG, you can go ahead. And then I added the half of stick of butter and stir around, and that's it. And I removed the crawfish from the pot and add it into the sauce. Now it's time to present. I have my tray here, and I spread around the red potato and corns and onions. Now I scatter my crawfish in here, and that's it. I sprinkle cilantro for color. It looks very appetizing. You are invited to stay with me. Thank you for watching. I will see you soon on the next video. Bye bye.